Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to use Apple Pay in stores. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. Let me tell you that if you want to use the Apple Pay on stores, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to go to the settings app, and now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to search for Apple Pay. So from here guys, you can easily find the Apple Pay option. So let me search it guys. So you can see here guys, wallet and Apple Pay. And now from here guys, you have to go to add card and just simply have to add the card. Let me tell you that you have to add the card here. So after adding the card guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go through the store, and after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to purchase anything from there, and you can find the machine. So what you have to do guys, just simply have to open the Apple Pay wallet in your device and select that card from where you want to do the transaction. Okay guys, if you have Visa card or any debit or credit card, just simply have to tap on that card. When you tap on that guys, just simply have to hold your phone like this way on the machine of their store like this, and after that guys, you have to pay the money. So you can find the money amount. So just simply have to write that amount, and after that guys, you can easily pay it. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.